architecture of the AI-powered shopping assistant that helps users find products by uploading images, audio, or text. So the users can input images, text, queries, or voice commands. These inputs are captured and passed on to the Next.js frontend, which is the main UI layer. The frontend is built using modular React components. The chat UI manages the assistant interface. The upload box handles images or audio files. The message feed displays the conversation history, and the product preview renders suggested product after recommendations are generated. We use centralized state management solution to store the current image or the audio state and the assistant response and product recommendation. This allows consistent and reactive updates to the user interface. All the interactions with the backend are abstracted through a clean API calls module which handles the post recommend, which sends the image plus query into the Fast API backend, and the post slash transcribe, which sends the audio files into the Flask backend for transcription. The frontend serves as a smart, reactive bridge between the user input and the backend intelligence. Its design is to be modular, responsive, and scalable for future UI and agent upgrades.
So this is how we are going to take audio-based queries from user. We will be using a Flask app. A Flask is a lightweight Python web framework used to create REST APIs. Number two, we are going to use the Whisper ASR model. Whisper is an automatic speech recognition model developed by OpenAI. And for contacting to the Next.js frontend, we will be using Flask CORS. CORS refers to cross-origin resource sharing. It is often used to contact the frontend hosted in another domain to the backend. So our workflow goes like this. From the Next.js frontend, the user sends a post request to /transcribe endpoint with the audio file of the format .webm. Once the Flask app receives this .webm file, it saves it temporarily and then runs the Whisper model. The Whisper ASR's model, version small, helps to transcribe the audio. That is, it converts speech to text and generate a response. This response is JSONified and given back to the frontend.
Suggest some shirts similar to this.
The frontend first sends an image and an optional text via post request to the /recommend route. Then the Fast API layer receives and forwards the input to Crew UI. Finally, the Crew Manager coordinates 4 agents. First, the task agent that passes user intent. Then, the vision agent that extracts features from the image. Third, the product agent that queries the product database. And finally, the response agent that ranks results and returns the top recommendations in the form of a JSON object to the frontend.